from all across St. Kitts and Nevis. And you see that the sand is black. We are a volcanic island, low ground. The tomb that just raised, everything is still sits under. Very dense wood, which can be used to make wooden cabins. But in the early days, many of those sailors who were marooned on St. Kitts would use the limbs from the lignum vitae, grind them down into wooden bearings to replace the steel ones, to get their way back to the Americas or back to England. Up to say 1965, a house like this, that's the War Memorial on your right. On the second Sunday of November, we celebrate Memorial Day or Poppy Day, which is a celebration of the veterans from St. Kitts, Nevis and Ngulla. In particular, those who fought in World Wars I and II. The obelisk in the center has the names of those veterans inscribed on it. It's a
It smells just like basil.
what?
Oregano.
Oregano?
Yeah.
We're like in a
Huge leaves.
little
Crush it and
spice
smell
plant, huh?
Yeah, we are.
Thank you.
I love the basil.
Yeah, oh my god.
They were brought to the Caribbean. However, though they've adapted so nicely that we're not sending them back.
There's the oregano.
So this is the coconut in its
These are
green
pretty.
state.
These
This
red.
is the one that you drive by, you'll see the vendors just
Did they say what they
chopping
were?
off the heads of the coconut and, rum in the coconut.
Cookies.
Alex, say
I heard cookies. Not you, Cookie. Cookies.
What? There's cookies?
You said
This is
cookies.
the dried coconut. This fiber here
Packing.
is what would be used to make bedding. So they'll get a bed sack and they would stuff it, and they'll get a pillow sack and do the same thing as well. I hope you didn't have a little brother who wet his bed, because this does not dry out very easily. It takes a long while. Also, if you're going to go camping, this makes very, very good kindling as well. It's better than the smoking cigarette, to be honest, to burn the neighbor's house down.
Oh, dear.
So the coconuts are a very intricate part of our diet. Today we're going to try some all turn to brilliant orange colors, which is basically to attract the birds to get the seeds onto the ground so that they can reproduce as well. So they come to, in some Indian cultures, they actually.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So you're looking at the Caribbean seaside of St. Kitts. That's where your ship is, just under the bush right here on the left. You can see the sister island of Nevis. As I started saying about Nevis, Nevis is the birthplace of Alexander Hamilton. Nevis is also one of those boutique destinations where it is very, very expensive. So St. Kitts does more mass market tourism, while Nevis does more niche or boutique tourism. So the big ship on which you came would not be allowed to go to Nevis. Some of your shipmates though would get off, they'll take smaller boats and head up.
That
So
is
the native
red
Indians would take the
dye.
anato.
Oh, wow.
Mix it with the
Is it permanent or what?
It's you.
Just get it out.
Oh my goodness.
Let me get a clear shot because you look gorgeous.
It's your color.
You're ready for nightlife.
Yes.
So you can color the Easter eggs.
Look at that.
Jeff, do you need any lipstick?
It'll be wrong.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Mama, that way.
What's this called? The Sufa?
Sofa stone. SOUFFA.
We're hiking the Sofa Stone. Did get eaten by fire ants. Alrighty. We're in the jungle now. good, another hill.
So sofa stone. Did you hear what she said?
What?
There's on the other side of the stone here. There's a stone that looks like a sofa.
Oh, and that's how we get the sofa?
Stone.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, good graffiti.
Can we sleep? Oh, here's your hieroglyphics you're looking for.
Jose.
Petroglyph.
Oh,
Petroglyph.
Joseph.
They're just modern. How do you say that? Petroglyph?
Contemporary.
Yeah. Those things. Stories carved into the rock.
Sofa stone is actually came here during our developmental times. This is the very hard andesite rock is known for. But this indentation here was created by a portion of sulfur being lodged inside the rock.
Sulfur.
Obviously, sulfur,
Okay.
which created the indentation that you're seeing here.
Nice.
But I like to say it's put there by Fred Van Wilman.
Oh, and we're going down. I always love the down part of a hike.
I kind of wanted to see an airplane come or go, but that hasn't happened.
Oh, yeah.
Oop.
Whoop, whoop.
Now I hear an airplane.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes an airplane.
Where?
I don't know.
I
From
hear it. It sounds like a propeller plane.
Look at this spread by Jonah. Troy helped us and Alexa. Passion fruit, guava, and mango.
Yeah. What are you gonna have, sir?
I'll have that one.
Guava. Would you like some rum?
Yes, please.
John,
The
how's
hot
it going?
sauce is for what? Anything you want to
Put the
put it
hot
on?
sauce on the side of the plate, and once you've done that, you can add it to anything else.
Oh
Don't
yeah.
put it on your food.
Oh yeah.
gonna
Don't.
be too hot.
He thinks you're not.
What are you gonna do?
You're not going to be able to deal with it. Doesn't know you.
You don't know
Doesn't.
me, man.
So go figure. These taste like potato. What? I wouldn't do that.
You can have a friend for life.
There's always one.
So Joan lives here. This is her property.
Yeah, this is nice. We have to make sure we float her. So this is coconut bread, I believe. We'll try that next. Okay, that's good. That's good. I think this is the plant. Is this the plantain?
It is. Fried plantain.
Were there two bowls of the potato stuff?
No.
I don't know if we can buy breadfruit.
I think you can.
Sorry?
Oh, you're in it. What do you think of St. Kitts?
It's actually very nice. I kind of like the other side of the island though, because it's a little more authentic. This is kind of a whitewashed,
Can do this anywhere.
high dollar American side.